Next one, 8.34. 0.378 gram of an organic chloro compound gave 0.5740 gram of silver chloride in Carrier's estimation method. Calculate the percentage of chlorine in the compound. So it is very simple direct formula. Percentage of chlorine is equal to 35.5 by 143.5. 35.5 means chlorine weight. So silver 108 and plus 35.58, totally 143.5 into weight of AgCl by WOC, weight of organic compound, into 100. So 35.5 by 143.5 into weight of AgCl is 0.5740 by weight of organic compound 0.3780 into 100. By calculating, we get nearly 37% answer. Thank you.